Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This video is for subject ECM 366, Civil Engineering Quantities and Estimation. And in this video, we are going to cover chapter 4, which is cost estimation of major elements of the construction industry. In previous video, we cover up to this slide. We have done example 1 for estimating of excavation work. And in this video, we are going to do example 2, estimating of excavation work by using machine. The question, calculate the equipment cost and labor cost for excavation work of 1 meter cube of soft soil by using JCB quarter meter cube capacity based on the data below. The first one, cost of excavation 650,000, interest rate 10% per annum for 5 years. Basically, interest rate is because we are using financing from the bank, and the bank will charge for the interest for the loan that we have made. Number 3, we have lifespan of excavation is for 5 years. The diesel price 2 ringgit per liter. Lubricating oil 25 ringgit per liter. Number 6, we have the wage for the driver 180 per day. And we have unskilled labor, the wage is 100 ringgit per day. As usual, in order for us to solve this question, we need to refer to the appendix, the labor constant here. For this question, the excavation is done by using machine. And the same thing, we have the type of soil, which is soft material and rock. Based on the question that we have, we know that the type is soft material. Then we need to refer to this information here. Another question doesn't touch about the cutting away, so we need to use the information for the cutting away. Next, we need to look at the remark here. So first, the worker depends on the size of work. That is the general statement. Number 2, skilled worker comprised of driver, also a general statement. And then we have average working days of machine is 200 days per year. We know that in a year we have 365 days, but the average working days is only 200 days. It is due to the holiday that we have and also the day that we need to do the maintenance of the machine. So in average, the working days is only 200 days per year. And then we also have the maintenance or repair costs. So we use the standard here is 1/10 of the cost of machine. Other than that, we also have the transportation cost. Let's say we buy an excavator. The dealer is in KL and our site is in Perlis. So we cannot drive the excavator from KL to Perlis, but we need to use a trailer to transport our excavator from KL to Perlis. So there will be the transportation cost, and we use 1/20 of cost of machine. And this one, for the cutting away, in the question it doesn't state about cutting away, so we are not referring to this statement. Let's look at the solution here. First, we have cost of owning excavator. So cost of excavator is 650,000 based on the question here. And then we also need to pay for the interest for 5 years, because normally for the high price of machine, we will take the loan from the bank and the bank will charge for the interest. So here is, from the question, it stated that the interest will be 10% per annum. Annum meaning for every year. And then we will do the loan for 5 years. So meaning that for the 5 years, the total interest that we need to pay to the bank equal to 650,000. You multiply with the 10% per annum and multiply with 5 years. So for 5 years, the interest that we need to pay is 325,000. And then for the repair and maintenance, from the appendix, we know that is 1/10. Multiply with the cost of the machine, we will get 65,000. So this is lump sum for 5 years. After that, we have the transportation, 1/20 from the appendix. Multiply with the cost of machine, it will be 32,500. This one is also for lump sum for 5 years. So the total cost of owning excavation for 5 years, you sum up all of these, you will get 72,500. Please bear in mind, this one is for 5 years. In order for us to get the cost of owning excavator for 1 hour, we need to divide with the total working hours for 5 years. So here 5 refer to the 5 years, 200 is the 200 working days per year based on the appendix, and then 8 here is 8 working hours per day. So after you divide, you will get 134 ringgit and 6 cents. This is for 1 working hour. Next, we are going to calculate the cost of operating excavator. So the first one, we have the wage of the driver is 180 ringgit per day based on the information in the question. For unskilled labor, the wage it will be 100 ringgit per day. For diesel and lubricating oil, the price per liter is given in the question. For diesel, it is 2 ringgit per liter. And for lubricating oil, in the question is stated the price is 25 ringgit per liter. The consumption, we need to refer to the appendix. For diesel, we will require 36 liter per day. And for the lubricating oil, it will require 2 liter per day. It doesn't matter whether the type of soil, soft material or rock, the consumption of diesel and lubricating oil will be the same. Okay, so based from the appendix, we know that the consumption is 36 liter per day, and for lubricating oil, the consumption will be 2 liter per day. For diesel, we need to spend 72 ringgit per day, and for lubricating oil, we need to spend 50 ringgit per day. Therefore, the cost of operating excavator per day, it will be 402 ringgit per day. Then we need to determine cost of operating excavator per hour. So we just take 402 ringgit. We divide by 8 because in one day, we only have 8 working hours. So we have 50 ringgit and 25 cents per hour. Why we need to convert into per hour is because we are going to sum up with the cost of owning excavator just now, because we calculate per hour. That's why for operating cost, we also convert into per hour. So here we can sum up together 134 and 6 cents plus with 50 ringgit and 25 cents. So we will have 184 ringgit and 31 cents per hour. Output of excavator per hour is provided in the appendix, whereby for the soft material, it will be 8 meter cube per hour. Then here we have 8 meter cube for 1 hour. The question asks the cost for 1 meter cube of excavation. Then it will be 184 ringgit and 31 cents. This one is per hour. We multiplied with the output of excavator here. 1 hour, we can excavate for 8 meter cube. Then the hour will be eliminated. After you calculate, you will get 23 ringgit and 4 cents per meter cube. And then after we consider the 50% of profit, you just multiply with 50%, you will get the answer is 26 ringgit and 49 cents per meter cube of excavation. Okay, so that's all the solution for this question. Thank you very much.